Hi, I'm Rick with South Texas Home Investors, and I'm looking to purchase a few houses in the next 30 to 60 days. Looking for houses that need work, foundation, roof, plumbing, anything of that sort. Give us a call, 210-729-9030, or visit us online at southtexashomeinvestors.com. We're looking for, houses, maybe you inherited a house, or you're moving, or maybe you're falling behind on your payments. Whatever the reason, we can help you out, give you a cash offer, and kind of go with it like that. Usually, once you accept our offer, I take it over to the title company, or we sign a contract. Then I'll send it over to the title company and open up title for that house. And usually, after we get a clear title, we can close within 7 days. But again, if you are maybe moving out of state, or you have a house here in San Antonio that you need to sell, and maybe you need to sell quickly, give me a call. Like I said, 210-729-9030, or visit us online at southtexashomeinvestors.com, and we'll make you a fair cash offer. Thanks.